Good morning, word study friends. Are we ready to take our word study test? Before we start, I just want to remind you to turn off your autocorrect, your auto capitalization, your spell check, and predictive. This can be found in your settings, in your keyboard settings. Next, you can pause the video if you need to stop and do that now. That's fine. And at any point during this video, if you need to slow down, you may stop and pause the video so that you can work on your answer. With number 1, brought through. Number 5, one of the plural. Number 7, some. Please, the some are back. Last but not least, blue. My favorite color is blue. The numbers just 11 for A.